Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And the question which we are going to solve here was asked in GATE CS 2017 set 1, question number 12. So question here is, consider the following intermediate program in 3 address code. So in 3 address code form, we have our program, and which one of the following corresponds to the static single assignment form of the above code, right? So this is the form of TSC type, and we need to convert it into single assignment form, static single assignment form, right? So the rule here is that on the left hand side, the variable should be unique. And if we have computed any particular variable, then we will only use that. Okay, let's do one by one, step by step, so that you can understand it well. So if you will see in option A, P1 is here, Q1 is here. And again, if we are using P1, this P1 is repeating, this Q1 is again repeating. So what is the meaning? We get confused. Option A itself eliminated, no problem. Now, if you will see another B, C, and D option, so we can do it like that. Suppose they have used P3 equals to, okay, let's do D first. P1 equals to A minus D. Okay. Now, if you will see P equals to A minus D, so for this P, they make it P1. So the value of P1 is A minus B. Now, Q equals to P into C. So whatever value of P's variable will hold here. Whatever value of P's variable is here will hold here. So P1 equals to A minus B, then Q1 equals to P into C they have mentioned. Why P into C? It should be P1 now. Why it should be PC? Because here Q1 equals to P into C. Then P1 is holding value of A minus 1. So P1 should be there. That is why option D is also eliminated. Similarly, if you will see option C as well, P1 is holding value of A minus B. And here if you will see in second statement, Q equals to P into C is there, P into C. So Q1 equals to why P2? It should be P1 now, because we need the value of P here, P1, because whatever value of P equals to A minus B, we need here. If here P1 equals to A minus B, then here P1 is required now. Why P2? So C is also get eliminated. Observe option B, which is the correct answer. Observe option B very carefully. P3 equals to A minus B, yes. So Q4, that is for P, we are taking variable P3. For Q, we are taking variable Q4. Okay. Now, whatever value of P, that is A minus B. So A minus B is value of P3. So it will replace it with P3, correct? Into C itself, no problem. Now, after this, we have P equals to U into V. So U and V are not used earlier here, U and V. But this P should be unique. So they have used P4. Okay, it should be unique, right? It shouldn't be repeated. So they have used for this P4 equals to U into V. Okay. Now here if you'll see Q equals to P plus Q. So what is latest value of P? Latest value of P is P4. So here if you'll see P4 plus what is latest value of Q, that is Q4. So it is Q4. Okay. So it is Q4, right? Q5 plus Q4. So if you will see, this is the correct representation of this TSC into SSA, right? So option B is correct, guys. If you're finding any doubt or query in this question, please do comment your doubt or query in the comment section. I will try to resolve all your doubts and queries as early as possible from my side. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, guys. Stay care. Stay safe. Stay at home.